For the best price, click the link in the description. If you're like me, you've probably been searching for a reliable and high-quality drone that can capture stunning footage, but also won't break the bank. But here's what surprised me: most drones on the market are either too expensive or don't live up to their promises. Therefore, I'm excited to dive into my honest review of the Ruko F11 GIM2. This little gem has been getting a lot of buzz online, and for good reason. With its impressive features and affordable price point, it's no wonder why so many people are eager to get their hands on one. But can it really deliver? Let's take a closer look. Act 1: Problem Agitation. First off, let me ask you, have you ever tried to capture the perfect aerial shot only to be met with subpar footage and a frustrating experience? I know I have, and it's not fun. That's why I was thrilled when I stumbled upon the Ruko F11 GIM2. But what really caught my attention was its impressive array of features, including 50MP high-resolution camera, dual GPS for precise navigation, long-range transmission up to 12 miles, 30-minute flight time. It sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let me reiterate, if you're in the market for a new drone, I urge you to keep watching. Trust me, this review is worth your time. Now let's take a closer look at what makes the Ruko F11 GIM2 so special. But asterisk, don't just take my word for it. We'll be diving into the pros and cons in just a minute. Act 1: Mini Promise asterisk. For those of you who are eager to get started, I promise you that this review will give you an honest breakdown of the Ruko F11 GIM2's strengths and weaknesses. But before we dive in, let me reiterate, if you're still unsure about whether or not this drone is right for you, keep watching. Act 1: Mini Twist. But here's a little-known secret. One of the most impressive features of the Ruko F11 GIM2 isn't even mentioned in its marketing materials. I'll give you a hint: it has something to do with its stabilization system, but I'll let that slide for now. Act 1: Open Loop. So without further ado, let's get started on this review. But before we begin, I want to ask you, what are you looking for in a drone? Are you a seasoned pro or just starting out? Let me know in the comments below. Deep dive section. Okay, now that we've got our ducks in a row, let's take a closer look at the Ruko F11 GIM2. As I mentioned earlier, it boasts an impressive array of features, including its 50MP high-resolution camera and dual GPS for precise navigation. But what really sets this drone apart is its long-range transmission capabilities up to 12 miles. That's right, folks, with the Ruko F11 GIM2, you can capture stunning footage from a distance without worrying about signal loss or dropped frames. And let's not forget about its impressive flight time. With a whopping 30 minutes of battery life, you'll have plenty of time to capture all the aerial shots your heart desires. Act 1: Mini Promise asterisk. But don't just take my word for it. I've included some amazing footage shot with the Ruko F11 GIM2 in this review. Trust me when I say that this drone delivers on its promises. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty details of what makes this drone so special. Act 1: Mini Twist asterisk. Did you know that the Ruko F11 GIM2 is designed with beginners and pros alike in mind? Its intuitive interface and easy-to-use controls make it perfect for those just starting out, while its advanced features will keep seasoned professionals engaged. Deep dive section. One of the standout features of the Ruko F11 GIM2 is its 50MP high-resolution camera. But what exactly does this mean for you as a user? Simply put, with a 50MP camera, you'll be able to capture incredibly detailed footage that's perfect for a variety of applications, from filmmaking to real estate photography. And don't even get me started on the dual GPS system. With precise navigation and accurate altitude control, you'll be able to capture stunning aerial shots like a pro. Act 1: Open Loop. But what about battery life? We all know that drone batteries can be finicky at best. But with the Ruko F11 GIM2, I'm happy to report that its 30-minute flight time is exactly as advertised. However, I do want to mention that there have been some reports of users experiencing issues with their battery life. Deep dive section. Now that we've got our major features covered, let's take a closer look at the Ruko F11 GIM2's build quality and design. First off, the drone itself is incredibly sturdy and well built. You can tell that Ruko put some serious thought into designing this thing. From its durable materials to its sleek aesthetic, it's clear that they're not messing around. But what really impressed me was its weight and portability. Weighing in at a mere 1.7 pounds, the Ruko F11 GIM2 is perfect for tossing into your backpack or luggage without breaking a sweat. Act 1 Mini Promise Asterisk. And don't worry about losing it. With a built-in GPS tracker and remote alarm system, you'll be able to track down your drone in no time. Now that we've covered the major features and build quality of the Ruko F11 GIM2, let's talk about its price point. Act 1 Mini Twist. But here's the thing, at under $200, the Ruko F11 GIM2 is an absolute steal. I mean, where else can you find a high-end drone with features like this for such a low price? Resolution section. In conclusion, after thoroughly reviewing the Ruko F11 GIM2, I'm happy to report that it delivers on its promises. With its impressive array of features and affordable price point, it's clear that Ruko has hit a home run. But before you go out and grab one for yourself, which I highly recommend, let me leave you with some final thoughts. Act 1 Open Loop. What do you think? Will the Ruko F11 GIM2 live up to its hype? Let me know in the comments below. For those of you who are still unsure about whether or not this drone is right for you, I want to remind you that it's always a good idea to read multiple reviews and do your own research before making a purchase. But if you're convinced, and I'm sure many of you will be, click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share this video with your friends and family who might be interested.